Hello friends, today our topic is Introduction to SwiftUI. We will see what is SwiftUI and how to implement SwiftUI views like text view, button view, multiple stack view, modifiers, and also one example of sign in and login page with multiple views. Let's see what is SwiftUI. It is user interface toolkit developed by Apple in 2019. It is designed to streamline the process of building user interfaces across Apple's platform like iOS, macOS. It utilizes the declarative syntax which allows developer to describe what the UI should do rather than how it should do. This approach simplifies the code and enhances the readability, which makes it easy to create and maintain complex interfaces. It integrates continuously with powerful features and provides real-time previews where developers can see changes instantly. Open Xcode and create new project. You have to select iOS and below that you have to select app. Then click on next button. You have to give name to your project. I am giving here intro. You can give anything. Then we have to save our project at any location of your Mac. I am saving in desktop. Here there is app delegate and below that there is content view. Now let's see what is views. View is a fundamental building block used to create user interface of app. It is designed to be lightweight and declarative, which means it describes the interface of your app, means how your app should look like and how to handle the views, multiple views. Now let's see text view. In content view, we have to write code for text view. Here text is a keyword and in bracket there is a hello SwiftUI. There are multiple modifiers like .font, .title means font size will be of title size, .foreground color, .blue means the word color will be of blue, .multiline text alignment, .central means all the text will come at the center of your mobile. Now let's execute our code. Hello SwiftUI. This is our output and the color of the text is blue color and the alignment of text is at center of your mobile. The next view is image view. We have to write code for image view in content view. So first of all you have to save image at whatever location you want and you have to give name for that image. In my code here my image name is nature. So I have written here nature. Multiple modifiers like .resizable, .accept ratio, .frame. So first of all you have to drag your image and you have to drop it in the assets file. Here my image name is nature. So in content view I have written nature. Now let's run the code. You can see preview also. I have posted here preview. This is our output. And as we mentioned in the code that frame size, width and height 500. So you can mention whatever you want. See the button view. I have kept the code of the image view as it is, only I have added padding, that is modifier, which creates space inside that element. For button with action, you have to write button keyword and in bracket action colon. In curly bracket, I have written here print button tapped, which will be shown in the console. Here the text of the button will be click, and there are many modifiers like foreground color, padding, background color and corner radius. Now let's run the code. This is our output with image and button. Here I have clicked the button, and here there is message in the console that button tapped. Now we will see next concept of SwiftUI, that is StackViews. StackViews are fundamentals for arranging and aligning UI elements in your app. SwiftUI provides three main types of StackView, that are VStack, HStack and ZStack. Each of these is used to arrange the child view either vertically, horizontally or in layers. Vertical stack view. I have written VStack as a keyword, and in curly bracket I have written text views. 4 text views, one after the other, and I have written button view also. The code is same as before we have used it. On the button there will be text click. We have called content view. And in stack view, all the views will arrange in a vertical manner. Now let's run the code. Then you will clearly understand that how it will arrange vertically. Here all the text arranged one after the other in a vertical manner. This is VStack. Now we will see HStack, that is horizontal stack view. Here all the views will be arranged in a horizontal manner, that is one after the next. So we have to write keyword HStack, and in curly bracket I will keep the 4 text elements as it is. I will change only text because it have to fit in a one screen. Now let's run the code. Here all the views are arranged one after the next in a horizontal manner. So this is HStack view. Now we will see ZStack. ZStack means overlapping of views, that is, views are arranged one upon the another. So you have to write here Z keyword, and in ZStack I am adding VStack because we have to create overlapping. I am creating one background color, that is pink, and VStack views will overlap on that pink color background. There are 4 views in VStack. And I am keeping code as it is. Now let's run the code. So here VStack views are arranged vertically, and due to ZStack there is overlapping of views, that is VStack. Below there is background color pink which will overlap the another view, that is VStack. Let's see one more example. Here I have written image view and below button view. Now let's run the code. So here we can clearly see overlapping of views. Now let's see modifiers in SwiftUI. Modifiers allow you to customize the appearance and behavior of views. Font, you can change the font of your text view. Padding modifier adds space around the view. Background color of view can be changed using the background color modifier. Corner radius modifier adds rounded corners to view. How much you want, you can set that numeric value. So there are multiple modifiers. I have only told you 4 modifiers. Let's see different types of modifiers in the code. .font for font, foreground color, that is .white, that the word color will be white, .padding which provides space, background color .blue, background color will be blue, corner radius 10, and there will be shadow of that view. Then there will be opacity. This is our output, which welcome text has 10 corner radius and it has shadow of grey color. And for SwiftUI, there is corner radius of 20. There is no shadow modifier. Again, I will create one more text view where I will change corner radius to 50. And padding of 10. Foreground color, I will change it to white, and background color I will change it to green. Let's run the code. So here you can see the difference. The corner radius is 50 and background color is green. Now let's see the example of login and sign up page. First I will create new file, SwiftUI view, click on next, give name, I will give next page view. So here it is content view and sign up view. It is intro app, that is app delegate. Here I have written 2 text views in a VStack. First text is welcome to the next page and second text is you have successfully logged in. In app delegate I called login view. Now in content view I have used navigation link. And called next page view. In navigation view I have used here VStack, and in VStack I have used here 4 views, text view, text field, secure field, button, action login. And in navigation, as I told before, the destination is a next page view here. And the next navigation link is destination of SignUp view, which will open the SignUp page. In SignUp view, now let's run the code. So this is our output: username, password, login. Don't have an account, click on it. It will create a sign up page. You can sign up here. There is one button. You can go back and you can log in here. Username, you can give anything. I will give abc@gmail.com. So I have typed password also. Now let's log in. Welcome to the next page. You have successfully logged in. So we have created this one example which has multiple views and multiple pages.